Unraveling Idioms, to cut bait. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make learning English easy and fun. In today's video, we're diving into the phrase, to cut bait. You might have heard it in movies, seen it in books, or stumbled upon it in conversations. But what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we break it down for you, piece by piece. To cut bait is an idiom with its roots in fishing terminology. In fishing, bait is what you use to attract fish to your hook. But there's a point where you have to stop baiting the hook and start fishing if you want to catch anything. So, when someone says they are cutting bait, it could mean they are literally preparing bait for fishing. However, as an idiom, it takes on a more figurative meaning. It's used to describe the point where you stop preparing to do something and decide to take action or move on to do something else. It implies a moment of decision where preparation ends, and action begins, or a change of plan is made. Now that you understand what "to cut bait" means, let's put it into context. Here are a few examples of how it can be used in a sentence. We've been planning this project for months, and it's time to cut bait and get started. After waiting for the weather to clear up, they decided to cut bait and cancel the picnic. He's been considering the job offer for a while now, but it's time for him to cut bait. In each of these sentences, to cut bait is used to signify the point of taking action or making a decision after a period of deliberation or preparation. It's also important to know when not to use "to cut bait." This phrase is not suitable for formal situations and is best used in informal conversation or writing. It's also not literal advice about fishing, so don't use it when you're actually teaching someone how to fish, unless you are speaking metaphorically about making decisions. And that's a wrap on the phrase, "to cut bait." We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase correctly in your conversations and writing. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to add flavor to your language and sound more like a native speaker. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language tips. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.